Fellow Kenyans, I'm here to address this matter of traveling agencies in Kenya. It came to my attention that Kenyans are being frauded with a lot of false contracts of going abroad. Kenyans sacrifice, get the money so that they can have a greener pasture. I've come across several Kenyans who are complaining of the same matter, being frauded a lot of money in the name of being taken abroad. In the capital city, Nairobi County, travel agencies are scamming Kenyans. I can mention one, Sunwing Travel Agency. That one I saw with a lot of evidence. You are scamming Kenyans. I don't know why are you scamming Kenyans. I don't know why are you scamming Kenyans. Mtu ana sacrifice, anachukua, anaenda anauza shamba, anaenda anauza ng'ombe zake, anaenda anauza mahindi zake kwa store, anaenda anauza vitu nyumbani in the name of kuenda abroad. Wewe unatumia hizo pesa kujifanyia mambo zako za raha. It is very much painful. Scamming people. Unaambia mtu aende ufanye medical. Ukifika kwa medical system, unadungwa, unavurutwa damu, at the end of the day no one takes you anywhere. Chewing money from Kenyans. Kenyans wanakopa loans ili wajaribu kubadilisha mazingira yao. Wewe unatumia hizo pesa kufanya mambo yako. Unaambia mtu andika CV. A person writes a CV full of content. And spend money to write those CVs. Then at the end of the day, you spoil the CVs. You just destroy them to the dump site. I'm calling upon DCI to take action on these people. And if anyone have got a question, I'm ready to answer. I'm Mike the journalist. If anyone have got a question, come and question me about what I'm talking about. There's no need of you continuing scamming. That criteria, the government cannot scam us. Then again, use civil as the same Kenyans. You are also scamming us. Sunwing Travel Agency, peaneni pesa za wenyewe, watu wafanye mambo yenye wanafaa kufanya. Na sisemi kwa ati nabembeleza mtu, hapana. If anyone seems to be arresting me, come and arrest me. I've got evidence that you chewed someone's money. I've got evidence that you chewed even my money. I'm not begging for anything. Calling upon the DCI, and I'm very sure they are going to take action. Share. Let this video go viral. People are scamming Kenyans here in Nairobi, Mombasa, wherever. It is very much painful. We are trying our level best. You are dragging us down. You must be arrested. Yes.